Hello everyone in Sociology CVA. Welcome to week 2. This is your announcement video. I'm not promising that I will do an announcement video for every week, but this week we have time to just go over a few tips. I like to really check in on the first few weeks just so you'll know exactly what to expect throughout the course. I want to commend everyone who completed their Flipgrid introduction video. I learned a lot about you, well, a little about you because it was a short video, and some things were very interesting, and some things we have in common, and some things I had to go Google to be completely honest. I don't watch a lot of TV, so I had to Google some TV shows and maybe add them to my rotation. So as far as week 2 is concerned, you guys did, who already submitted your assignments from last week, did a really good job with answering incomplete thoughts. I tried to put as many notes as I could, as many notes to give you some feedback on the assignments that were completed. So this week, if you're in the year-long course, that means the semester-long course, you have 3 assignments due: Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And the assignment on Friday is a Flipgrid video, so make sure that you get that submitted before the end of the day on Friday. If you're in Sociology A, you want to complete your research ethics assignment by Wednesday. The tips for the week is to read the directions and answer incomplete sentences and with details and examples. You'll see when you get into the research ethics assignment and the research methods scenario assignment that examples would help, make your argument more credible. So the more examples you provide, this is the way that I'm able to understand that you understand the material, if that makes sense. So this is a synthesis of learning through module 1. Okay, so this is the way that you demonstrate that you understand the content. And lastly, the announcement for grades. This is the last week to email me about welcome calls. I think there's a couple of students who have not reached out about welcome calls. So your introductory assignment still has the score of 80. If you would like to change that to 100, just please reach out to set up a welcome call. And remember that completing assignments on time will exempt you from taking the finals. That's all I have this week. Please remember, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always email, text, remind, text, or give me a call within, reasonable time. So, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. Have a great day.